I'm so happy to be spending time with you again this Sunday. I'm calling the title of this talk, Two Truths and a Lie. We've all played that game, right? And it's really fun discovering what the lie is. Well, on a global level, we're still playing that game. And we're buying into the lie all the time, the lie that there's something missing. And as a result, we find ourselves immersed in loneliness, in scarcity, in all kinds of unhappiness. But it's a lie. Lack is a lie. And what is true is life, fullness of life and love. It's what we come from. It's who we are. And there are some technologies that Unity has practiced and developed that work. And that's what I'm going to be talking about with you this Sunday, so that we can really step into a place of manifesting the lives that we want, of feeling the fullness of who we are. I hope you'll be there on Sunday, whether you're online or in person. I look forward to seeing you.